Good morning, students. In the previous lesson, good morning, children. In the previous class, we have learned about our organs. Okay, how to our organs form. Okay, small. The tiny cells are made up of form tissues. Okay, different kind of similarly the different kind of cells form tissues, and then the different kinds of tissues make a organ. That organ formed. Good morning, students. Today in the previous class we have learned our organs. Okay, how to the organs are formed. Our body is made up of the tiny cells. The same kind of cells form a tissues. Similarly, the different kind of tissues form a organ. That organ is perform in a different functions. Many organs form and join together in a organ system. Okay, and then next the two types of organs in our body. One is a external organ and then internal organs. External organs, that shoulder, hand, leg, arm, these are all our external organs. Some external organs like eyes, nose, mouth, ears, skin is together known as sense organs. Okay, and then internal organs. Some internal organs are present in our body. For example, heart, lungs, kidney and stomach. Okay, and then the brain is one of the internal organs. First we have learned the brain. Okay, brain is control all our activities, and then it help us think and remember. And the brain, it consists of three parts. One is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Today we are all learn about in some another internal organs. First one is a heart. Okay, have you seen this shape of the organ? Can you see? Okay, this is a heart. Okay, this is our heart. It is located in, it is a muscular organ. Hollow structure is located in the chest cavity. Okay, this is our heart. This is our heart. It is located in the, it is a muscular organ. Hollow structure is located in the chest cavity, just slightly towards the left. Slightly towards the left. It is the heart is the size of your fist. Okay, ஒருத்தங்களோட heart வந்து நம்மளோட கைப்பிடி அளவு தான் இருக்கும். Fist means கைப்பிடி அளவு. Okay, our that heart is the fist of our the heart is the size of your fist. நம்மளோட heart வந்து நம்மளோட கைப்பிடி அளவு தான் இருக்குது. It pumps blood through our system of our blood vessels. It pumps blood through the system of our blood vessels. Through a system of our blood vessels. The blood vessels carry blood from the heart and from the other parts of the body are called as arteries. The blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the other parts of the body. artery. Okay, blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the other parts of the body are known as artery. That blood vessels that bring blood back into the heart from the other parts of the body are known as vein. From the other parts of the body, vein. And then when the heartbeat, it makes the sound lub dub, lub dub. Okay, our heartbeat sound is what? Lub dub, lub dub. During regular exercise, naturally our heartbeat is faster to supply the blood to our muscles. Okay, and then the more intensively we can during exercise, intensively means ரொம்ப fast தீவிரமா exercise பண்றப்போ நம்மளோட heartbeat is normally our heartbeat is faster. Okay, that more intensively we can faster our heartbeat. Okay, first heart, it pumps blood through a system of our blood vessels. The blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the other parts of the body are known as artery. And then the blood vessels that bring blood back into the heart from the other parts of the body are known as vein. When the heartbeat, it makes the sound lub dub, lub dub. And then during exercise, naturally our heartbeat is faster, and then that intense ரொம்ப தீவிரமா exercise பண்றப்போ automatically our heartbeat is faster. And then next one is lungs. Okay, what is this? This is our lungs. Okay, the lungs are two sacs placed inside the chest cavity. Okay, lungs are placed inside our chest cavity. The left lung slightly smaller than the right lung. Okay, the left lung slightly smaller than the left lung. Okay, when the lungs already use our breathing system. Okay, lungs helps us breathe. Windpipe, this is lungs. Lungs, this is air sacs. Lungs helps us breathe. It's when they filter oxygen when we breathe in. Okay, when we breathe in, they filter oxygen when we breathe in, and expel carbon dioxide when we breathe out. This is breathe in. Okay, they filter oxygen when we breathe in, expel carbon dioxide when we breathe out. This is our lungs. First one, lungs. This is the structure of our lungs. Lungs are two sacs placed inside our chest cavity. The left lung slightly smaller than the right lung, and then this lungs helps us breathe. They filter oxygen when we breathe in and expel carbon dioxide when we breathe out. And the next one is our stomach. Next one, stomach. When we eat food, food passes into mouth to a pipe-like structure called a food pipe. Okay, when we eat food through a mouth, it passes into the pipe-like structure called a food pipe. This is our food pipe. Food pipe empties food into the J-shaped sac. J-shaped sac called a stomach. Okay, food empties. That's a J-shaped. This is a J-shaped sac called a stomach. This is stomach. This is food pipe. This is our stomach. Okay, the food passes into the food pipe and the food pipe is empty. That's a J-shaped sac like a structure called a stomach. It is located in. It is a muscular organ. The stomach is an elastic organ. It's located in the upper abdomen. Stomach is an elastic organ. It's located in the upper abdomen. This is our abdominal region. So the stomach is located in the upper abdomen. And then it stores food and chunks. Chunks means grind பண்றது நல்லா கடையிற மாதிரி food எல்லாம் கடையிறது. It stores food and chunks with the strong muscles and break down into the small pieces to get the digestive juices from our intestines, from the stomach. Okay, it stores and chunks food with the strong muscles and break them into a small pieces and then get the digestive juices inside our stomach. Our stomach is secrete some digestive juices. Okay, the food is churned and stores the grind. Okay, our food is grind using the digestive juices and then passes into then the food released into the small intestine. Okay, this is our small intestine. After the process, the digestive process is finished and then the food is released into the small intestine for the digestion. Okay, for the digestion process is completing, the food is processed into the small intestine. And then next one is our kidney. Okay, this is our kidney. The bean-shaped kidneys are located in the abdominal region. The bean-shaped kidneys are located in the abdominal region. We have two kidneys. We have two kidneys. Only on the right and the other on the left. Okay, only on the right and the other on the left. The right kidney slightly smaller than the left kidney. They filter and remove waste from our waste material like that water and salt from our body. Excess of water and salt remove from our body in the form of urine. This is our urinary bladder. What is the function of our kidney? The kidney is filter and remove waste material, right? Salt and water, excess of salt and water remove from our body in the form of urine. This is our urinary bladder. The kidneys are filter the waste material is sent through the urinary bladder. Okay, and then next one, fit and how to fit and healthy or get a fit and healthy organs. Here are some tips. I give a healthy organs, how to keep our organs healthy. First one, healthy organs. First one, play both inside and outside. Outside games like chess, carom, football, cricket, volleyball, etc. Okay, always play both indoor and outdoor games. And then both indoor and outdoor games during regular exercise. When the place or get a fresh air, so that place you have do that exercise regularly. During a regular exercise, when we get a fresh air. Regular exercise, when we get a fresh air. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables and some dairy products. Dairy means what? The milk products. Okay, eat fresh fruits and vegetables and dairy products. And then some food items like that fiber content, rich fiber content food also eat. For example, grains, cereals, and then some fibrous food also you have take. And then next one, eat healthy food. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. Plenty means what? More water. During in this summer season, we must drink more water. Okay, and then next one, take a rest. Enough rest and sleep in a day for 8 hours in a day. Okay, enough rest and sleep for 8 hours in a day. Okay, tips to keep our healthy organs. What are the tips? Play both indoor and outdoor games like cricket, football, carom, riddles, crossword. These like of games you have play. And then next one, doing regular exercise when we get a fresh air. And then eat healthy food, that fresh fruits, vegetables and dairy product, and then fiber rich food also you have take. And drink plenty of water, drink more water, and then take that rest and sleep. Enough rest and sleep, in particularly in 8 hours in a day you must take a rest. Okay, in these tips you have follow, we should keep an healthy organs. Okay ma, one recap in the internal organs, about in the internal organs. First one, brain. Okay, our brain is control all our activities and then help us think and remember. And the next one, heart. Our heart helps us pump blood to all the parts of our body. And then another one is next one is the lungs. Lungs helps us breathe. And the next one, stomach. Stomach is helps us in our digestion. And the next one is our kidney. Kidney is remove all the waste material, excess of water or salt in our body parts. Remove the waste materials in our body parts. And then there's some tips to keep our organs healthy. Let play both indoor and outdoor games, do regular exercise when we get a fresh air, and then eat a healthy food, fresh fruits and vegetables and some dairy products, and then fibrous food also we have take. Drink plenty of water, drink more water, and then take enough rest and sleep 8 hours in a day. Okay, thank you ma.